Alright guys, wanted to share a little trick with you guys that I've learned. So this is a motor out of a generator. I've had it apart now, obviously, but this armature here is on a tapered shaft. The tapered shaft, obviously, once they're set, they don't come off very easily unless you have the correct puller for it. But I did not have the correct puller. This is the bolt that goes all the way through, and the end of this shaft is threaded. So what I did was I flipped this whole thing up, standing straight up, and then I filled this with water, found a bolt that fit them threads, wrapped it with Teflon tape, put it in there, hit it with the impact, and it'll pop that, it'll pressurize the water and pop this right off. Really easy. I've used this on snowmobile clutches and it works fantastic. So hopefully somebody can use this. Thanks for watching.